Imagine shaking hands with yourself 10 years from now. Would you recognize that person? Studies show most people perceive their future selves as strangers, a phenomenon neuroscientists call temporal disconnect. This cognitive gap explains why we often fail our future selves with poor financial, health, and career choices today. fMRI scans reveal shocking truth. When thinking about our future selves, brain activity resembles patterns seen when imagining other people. The ventromedial prefrontal cortex, responsible for self-identification, shows significantly less engagement for future you. Essentially, your brain treats tomorrow's version like a separate entity. This neural disconnect fuels present bias, our tendency to prioritize immediate rewards over long-term benefits. Columbia University experiments demonstrate people will sacrifice 50% future gains for 10% immediate rewards. From skipping retirement savings to procrastinating on health checks, we systematically disadvantage our future selves. Harvard researchers created a virtual aging app showing participants their future faces. Those who interacted with aged versions saved 30% more for retirement versus control groups. The study proves making future selves feel real changes behavior. As one participant said, "I couldn't betray that older version of me." About 15% of people exhibit strong future self continuity. Stanford psychologists found these individuals share three traits. 1. Vivid mental imagery of older selves. 2. Regular future-oriented rituals, like writing to older selves. And 3. Viewing life as an ongoing narrative rather than isolated moments. Their brains show stronger default mode network connectivity. UC Berkeley developed a 4-week visualization protocol where participants spend 10 minutes daily imagining specific future scenarios. Post-training fMRI scans showed increased VMPFC activation for future selves, essentially rewiring brains to recognize continuity. Participants reported 2x greater motivation for long-term goals compared to control groups. A Yale study had participants write letters from their 70-year-old selves, detailing gratitude or regrets. 6 months later, letter writers showed 40% higher goal adherence than those who didn't. The act of articulating a future perspective creates emotional stakes. Your brain stops seeing future you as abstract. Behavioral economists suggest dedicating 1% of daily decisions explicitly for future benefit. Examples: putting a vegetable on your plate for future health, transferring $5 to savings before spending, or learning a skill with no immediate use. These micro-actions accumulate while strengthening neural pathways for future self-connection. Writer Brad Feld kept journals for his future self since age 25. Now in his 50s, he reports profound continuity. When young Brad wrote advice, "I feel obligated to honor it." Neuroscientists confirm such practices increase gray matter in the hippocampus, the region linking past, present, and future cognition. That stranger in the mirror? They're you, just waiting to be acknowledged. Every choice today is a handshake with tomorrow. As Princeton's Time Perception Lab concludes, the most successful people don't prepare for the future, they collaborate with it. Press pause and ask, what will the future you wish you'd done right now?